So this is how I store the majority of my images in these little plastic boxes, and I have them organized. I'm not going to be using this one because I just did the little cards. Did you see these? And I don't know if I showed that I put them on a little ring thing here, but I did use that set for these. And I don't want to use them for this one. I just want to use random little images that I'm going to pick out with my eyes closed. So I got some more here. There's people, bugs, birds. I think I have more than one bird. Like everyday household objects, flowers. So let's start picking. Maybe I'll just I'm not looking, so I'm just going to pick one maybe from each, or maybe two. Maybe two. Oh, look at that. That's going to take over. Alright, so we got that, and I got this. Let's see. I don't want a giant bird, so I'm going to take these all kind of out of here and see what else I can come up with. I'm trying to feel if it's big or not. I was hoping for a fussy cut, but I don't feel any fussy cuts down here. 1 and 2. Okay. So that's for the birds. Let's put these back. I think I'll skip the bugs. And for people, I do want fussy cuts. So I'm going to remove some of these. There's Ringo. Good old Ringo. Maybe I'll just... These are smaller ones. And I'm going to just kind of reach in there, grab this one. I'm not looking yet. And this one. Okay, now I can look. Oh, all right. So I got those two. And, oh, she would have been cool. Okay. And now... maybe some flowers, and I think I might end up, I don't think there's any really fussy cut ones in here, so I am just gonna reach in, pick ones that aren't too big, hopefully. That feels big. Okay, so we got flowers. Do we have enough? I think we're gonna need more pictures, more images. She's reaching for that jewel. Okay, there's their living room. They're in the living room. I need more. So maybe I do need some bigger ones to put like behind. I got some food images. Let's get some food images. Okay, maybe some of these can be big. That doesn't feel very big though. Blueberries and a strawberry pie. Alright, I think that we are going to need some backgrounds. This one is too big, I think. I think it's going to blend in. I think I need to pick another one. Ugh, I picked 3. That one and the strawberry pie. Okay, so we got food. Do we need... Definitely do need more. Maybe we'll pick some flower backgrounds or animals. We didn't have animals. These aren't going to be very big. Well, that one's big. That one's pretty big. What else? That feels like a plastic bag. Okay, so we got those two. And I'm just thinking, like, you could go here. I do feel like we need backgrounds, though. Like, where's the girl? Where did my girl go? Where'd she go? Didn't I just have that little kid reaching up? I think I put her back somehow. And we still have these bird ones. So, how am I going to make this all work? I think we need some kind of background, and I have some bigger images in a binder, but I really don't understand what happened to the girl. I must have put her back in something else. Did I put her in here? No? Okay, well, let's see. I wasn't planning on putting a giant background, though, on. But like something like this, I could put in the background, and that would like be a filler spot. Sort of, maybe like this. And then they could go on there. We'll put them in here. And then we have this and this. And we'll put the dog like right in the middle. Now over here we're going to need something in the background at the top. So let's see what I can find for that. How about a map? This is upside down. I am losing all my pictures. But I found these two. Let's see what I can come up to go across the top here. What I can come up with. I think that's too pretty to cover up. I'm probably going to think that about all of them, that they're going to be too pretty to cover up. What about something like this? That's not too pretty to cover up. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see how it's going to work out. So I know pretty much this whole page is done. We just have the dog. So let's move those out of the way and come up with our layout with this for this one later. We'll glue down. Oops, my stacks of boxes are falling over. Okay, let's put down the purple flowers first. I wonder if I could cut some of that off actually and save some of it. Yeah, I could. Let's cut some off. Not too much though, because I don't want to end up having to find another background. Okay, hopefully I did not cut off too much. So let's get this down. This is going right on the bottom, and I am probably speeding up the gluing process because it could take a while. It definitely could. I think I need to put like a different colored paper in the background behind the page so I can see if I'm gluing in the wrong spot or not, you know? Okay, like I could have glued it down a little lower here. Alright, and then this was the next one. We'll put that one up there. might as well just glue on the whole page here. And do I want this side or this side? Kind of like this side better, actually. I think I'm going to do it this side. Ooh, don't rip it. That wouldn't do. Okay, so that's going up there. Just like that. And again, I did mess up on the top too. Okay, so that's there. I feel like that's a wrinkle, but I don't think it is. The shadow, maybe. Alright, so then this was going here. So let's get that down. I might as well just do this. So, my husband had a colonoscopy and everything came out okay. But he does have diverticulosis, and he told me he's had it since the last time he had one, which was 10 years ago, and he never told me before. So, that was a surprise to me. This was going... What was going here? Did I put that in the wrong spot? I did, didn't I? I did. So now, what am I doing? These guys are going here, and I think I'm just going to cut this out here and be back. Okay, so I would much rather be standing in this field of, is that lupins or loosestrife, than in a house. So they're going there. And I am totally baffled by how I had this layout before, because I think I need to find another image. Let's see, a little up just a teensy bit higher, guys. There. Oh, his foot is still a little bit too low. Oh well. And so this was going to be here, and then the dog. But what did I have covering this up? Because I don't remember now. Maybe we should put the pie. I don't know. This was all over here. What if I do this? That would work for there, but let's put it right side up. So let's go ahead and do that. Or should I put this up here and put this down here? That would look okay too. Let's do that, and then the dog can cover up that little strip. Yeah, I think that's going to work out good that way. Alright, so he's going to go right there. Okay, we'll move him over a little bit, and that's going to be that page. Maybe I'll find some fussy cuts to put on top, or stickers of some kind. We'll find out. We'll see. I also don't like my videos to get too long, either. But let's go ahead and put this guy down, because we are happy to cover up that basket. He's going to go there. Awesome. So that page is totally covered. Let's see, what we were going to do here was put this up like this. So let's get that done. Okay. We're going to put this here. And the dog was going to go here. But I think we need to put something there first. And if I remember correctly, we were going to put a bird up here. And I think I'm going to cut around like the border, though. I don't want the border anymore. So I'll get that out of there. We might need one more little background filler piece on this corner here. And we'll figure that out, though. So we're going to put that there. That's where that's going. And this was going here. We were going to put this here. I guess it would be alright if it went over to that side a little bit. And then it would cover, like, most of the weight behind there. And we have the dog. And we have the pie. And we have this. He can go there. But again, I'm going to cut the border off. Alright, so this is going here. Just like that. I feel like I definitely do want to cover this up with something other than this. But this can go like right here. And then just something, a little strip of color back here. Let's find our little strip of color. So this is my other place where I keep things. And it was getting too full, and things were getting damaged. So I decided to put stuff in the little boxes, but some of the images are too big for that. But somewhere around here, here we go. You can't see it, but there's all these strips of color here. So like, maybe I'll put some green back there and see how that looks. That might be big enough, I don't know. But yeah, so let's check that out. Is this big enough? I believe it's going to be big enough, so we'll do that. And then the pie is going to go down here. So I believe my first things, this is obviously going to be the last, and this is going to be last. So I need to actually glue these three down first. Let's get that done. And I think, I already glued that one down, didn't I? Okay. Let's do this. And this. Okay, so we get that. This one was going up here. Let's just do this. Okay, that's that. Oop, oh, nope. Are you seeing? I always forget to check, make sure I'm still on camera. And then this one, I don't remember exactly where that was. So, it's just got to be like right about here. Alright. That's going right about there. Right? Is that right? Before I squish it down too much? Nope, a little bit more. A little bit more. There, I think that's good. Then he's going down, just like this. And that's perfect. All right. Okay, we'll put the pug down. Or no, this isn't a pug. Is it a pug? No, I think it's a French bulldog. All right, so he's going there. Oh, come on. Ugh, didn't see that, did you? I ripped her arm, her wrist. Gotta be careful. Sometimes I'm a little too rough with this thing. Okay, and then this was, the pie. Was the pie next? That was gonna go there. Move the pie. The pie can come down a little bit, so we'll put the pie here. We want the top, mostly, not the bottom. Okay. So he's going right there. The pie is going here. And our jewel is going right here. I need a better piece of paper to glue on that's not sticky. I think I like how this came out. I usually want everything planned out, before I even start the video. So I feel pretty accomplished that I was able to make nice layouts. Let's see, it's not straight. I'm glad I was able to make a nice, well, in my opinion, a nice layout by just really using random things that I picked without even actually looking at what I was picking. So yeah, I like it. Do you like it? Let me know. I think we do need to add some words and maybe not fussy cuts, maybe a few little fussy cuts, but not too many. But I need to put all my garbage away and all my boxes before I can get any more out. All right, so I found some words. I saw this drops of hope and I wished I could have put it here because it's perfect, but it's too big, obviously. So I'm going to put feed your soul there instead. And then for this bird here, the two birds, I'm going to put blah, blah, blah. I thought that was kind of neat. He's talking and this one looks mad, like blah, blah, blah. So I got some cat and dog stickers that I thought could go on here nicely. Maybe some leaves. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But let's get these words glued down. That one was a sticker. We'll get these glued down. Fun City for this. It's a little bit sarcastic. And we'll put that there. Sometimes I wonder if I'm going to regret not saving words for something different. But I can always find more words, I suppose. Whoops. Don't close that up yet. Summer blooms, I'm going to put like right down here. And then I thought that it looks like he's seeking comfort in his owner's hand, so I'm going to put don't fret there. Maybe he's upset about something, so we'll put don't fret right here. And then over here I'm putting feed your soul. I need to invest in some, like Tim Holtz words, so I'm not always needing to look through magazines and stuff for words. I'm going to put You're So Sweet here by this sweet little guy. So he's going to go here. This is going to go here. You're so sweet. Maybe like that. I feel like it's too much in line with that, though. Let's move it down. I wanted it to cover that line, but I don't think it looks good there. And then a life well lived. They look like they're having the time of their life there in their lupin patch and living their life well. Living their lives well, I should say. So let's do that right here. Or no, that was going to go up here. So that's going to go up there. And I still did not find that missing little girl that I was going to glue down in here. I don't know what happened to her. Let's put a little heart by them. We got a purple heart here. We can put that right here. There's that. And let's see. Let's put a cat on the bookshelf. Let's put that cat right there. And where else could we put a cat? Let's put one. Yeah, let's put this one here. So that cat's going to go there. And now I had dogs too. Let's put a dog somewhere. Let's put this guy right here. I actually feel like cutting this part out though, so that I see more of what's behind him there. There, he's going to go there. We need a dog on this side somewhere. Can't cover up his face though. Why don't we put this little guy just kind of standing on there? No, that looks weird. Maybe here. More like the background, so. And I was thinking, could we put a dog up here? What about him? He looks like he's like hanging off the shelf. Whoops, he's also torn. He's not going to work. His head got messed up. Let's put this guy then, or this guy. Let's put this guy up. He can go right there. All right, so I believe that's all I'm going to put. So there's my double spread layout here, and I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.